Alright, hi, it's Jeff from RvDiagnostics, laying down on the job, being checked out by my whatever cat that is. Anyway, my wife got me some stainless steel, not chrome. This is a generator pipe, chrome, stainless steel exhaust tip. I'll show you what I got to do. Give it a little class, right? So we want it to stick out just about as far as that one, right? So we're going to put it right there, and then we're going to go back and measure, okay? Then I got a fine blade tooth. I think that's a 32 tooth per inch, 32 pi per inch. And I'm just going to cut it and mark it. Got a measure right here. All right, so a measure. Put you on pause, it's a little hard to do it one hand. Basically, we measure right from where that hump is right there. And that is about 8 inches, okay? So we will go 8 inches there, mark it right there, and then we would cut it, okay? Now, what size of pipe is this? Let me show you. It's 1.5 inches, okay? So this is a little bit bigger than 1.5 inches, and it squeezes over. And I had to pick them out, but my wife bought them for me for my birthday. So this is another Honchicore knee. Thank you very much. I'll go do the cutting, put you on pause, I'll be right back. When I did this generator rebuild, which there's videos on that of 7.5K, I told you about that muffler system and had the pipe thread you took out to clean out. I'm going to show you why. Look at all the carbon that came out, and it's still in there. All right, that's me. So I'm going to take a brush down in there and start this thing up, blow it out. But basically, diesel's dirty. You know, that's why they try to clean them up. All right, so it's cut. Now I'm going to file it. All right, for GP, general purpose, done it all my life. I filed it. See, it's got like a little bevel on it, right? That way it's got no sharp edges. All right, and we slide this on there. All right. There you go. All right, I'm gonna have to smack it a little bit with a rubber hammer. All right, here, let me unloosen that. Hold on. All right. Sorry about that, I dropped y'all. So I took some emery cloth right here, and I went over the end of the pipe, right, and then it slides on much easier. There you go. All right, so there she is, folks. All right, don't want to stick it out too far, right? Hit stuff. All right, it'll tighten it up. It should look nice. Now the next one is the big 5-inch exhaust back there, stainless steel. Alright, so I get to work on my baby once in a while. Thank you. This is Jeff from RvDiagnostics. Safe travels, and may the campfire burn bright till we meet again. Where are we going to meet? Possibly here at the RvDiagnostics Garage and School at 22480 BLOXOM School Road, SEAFORD, Delaware. I'm laying down now. I'm breathing. I'm turning a little bit of red. I'm okay. Somebody said, you need to get some oxygen. But, it's okay. Blood pressure's good. Anyway, at 22480 BLOXOM School Road, SEAFORD, Delaware, 19973. It's down below. If you want to come and you don't have my phone number, email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics.com. Diagnostics.com. That's plural. Alright, and schedule an appointment. Let me know what's up. Remember, I can fix your RV. There's 50 amp water, sewage in the back. You can stay a while. I got to charge you $30 a night for all that. And I got to charge you for whatever work I do. If you help me, it's cheaper. All right. And we have some fun, right? Maybe barbecue on the grill, right? Anyway. Now, where else will I meet you? On the road. I wave to everybody. And some people don't wave. It's okay. Where else will I meet you? Campground. If we meet and I'm at a campground, I'm probably on a vacation. We'll sit around a campfire. Depends what the girls do, or significant others. They can drink wine or whatever, and you and I can go over to your RV and BS a little bit, but I'm not really into working on them. But if you want to do the work, I'll guide you. Alright, so a lot of people take us out to dinner after. That's pretty cool. I just like meeting people, folks. So where's another place to meet me? At the Facebook page, RvDiagnostics and Troubleshooting. I think it's August the 24th now of 2022, and it is at 28,000 over. Thank you very much for everybody that's subscribed. And there's over 16,000 active. That means people are on there, reading, watching, whatever, reacting, interreacting. There's another place we can meet at the fueling stations, at the gas pumps or diesel pumps. You can complain how high it is, but I still go camping. There you go. All right, what's the motto? Test, not guess. Hold on, I got to sneeze. Ooh, all right. Now, remember, test, not guess is our motto. All right, so thank you very much. It's Jeff from RvDiagnostics. Till the next video, remember, subscribe, give me some likes, put some comments in there. Hey, stop turning red in the face. Anyway, somebody did say, man, oxygen. I thought that was hilarious. Bye-bye.